Hello! In this video, we're going to be making these healthy chocolate chip cookie bars which make a really good snack and they are so easy to make. So first off, these are all of the ingredients you're going to need. Start by greasing and lining an 8x8 inch pan and then set that aside. Then to your flour, you're going to add in your baking powder and baking soda and mix that up. Once that is done, you can set that aside and take another bowl and add in your butter. I'm using Amul salted butter here. To your butter, add in your jaggery powder. And you're going to mix both of them together using a spatula, or you can even use a spoon. Once that is mixed properly, you can switch to a whisk and beat it for about 2 to 3 minutes till it is lighter in color and fluffy. Once you have a fluffy mixture, you can go ahead and add in your milk. Then mix in the milk as well. It might not mix perfectly, but that's completely okay. Then you're going to also mix in your vanilla. Once that is mixed in, you can go ahead and add in your dry ingredients. Then mix them in. I like to first use a whisk and then switch to a spatula and mix it thoroughly. Once your cookie dough comes together, you can add in your chocolate chips. And then mix those in as well till they are uniformly distributed. And your cookie dough is ready. Resist eating the dough right out of the bowl and transfer it to a pan. Press it in evenly using your spatula and then switch to your hands. Make sure they're clean and press in your batter evenly just to ensure that your cookie dough bars do not fall apart. Once that is done, you can transfer your pan into your oven. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. You can even bake this for a lesser time if you want chewy and gooey cookie bars. And once those are done, make sure to let them cool completely on a wire rack if you're patient enough. Or you can just dig in if you want to. Once they're cool, you can start slicing them. So I like to first slice the sides using a knife and then remove them out of the pan. And then I slice them into really big pieces, so I make 3 by 3, that is 9 pieces. You can cut them as big or as small as you like. And that's it, your cookie dough bars are ready! And you can see these look so good. These taste just like cookies, but they are so much better because they are so much easier to make. And they are also thick and gooey on the inside with a crisp crust. I love making these and snacking on them whenever I'm working, and I really hope you enjoy these too. Do let me know if you try them down in the comment section, and let me know what other recipes you would like to see. I hope you're taking care and staying safe, and I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Bye!